Welcome to the third session of Module 2, Pumps and Actuators. In this, I've already explained in the previous session that type of pump definition, types of pumps, that is a classification of pumps, that is external, internal, gear pumps, vane pumps, fixed displacement pumps, etc. etc. In this class, let's go for performance characteristics of a pump. Any device whose performance can be measured with the help of its performance, that is with the help of its efficiency. Similarly, in case of pumps, the pump performance can be measured with the help of efficiencies. In that, there are three parameters to measure the performance characteristics of a pump. And one such is that is volumetric efficiency. The volumetric efficiency, we have studied already. Efficiency is the ratio of output power to the input power, and here power output to the power input. But here we are going to study the volumetric efficiency. The volumetric efficiency is a bit different from the normal, that is general definition for efficiency. Here the volumetric efficiency is defined as the ratio of actual flow rate to the theoretical flow rate. That is, it can be denoted like this, that is actual flow rate can be denoted by Q suffix A, and theoretical theoretical flow rate can be denoted by capital letter Q and small and T. So the volumetric efficiency is defined as the ratio of actual flow rate to the theoretical flow rate. Similarly, the mechanical efficiency, that is a general definition, as I told, power output to the power input. Similarly, here mechanical efficiency is defined as the ratio of pump power output to the pump output power to the pump input power, that is actual power input. So it can be denoted as PQT divided by 2 pi nt into 100, where Qt is the theoretical flow rate, and overall efficiency is defined as the ratio of the product of the volumetric efficiency and the mechanical efficiency, that is actual power output by pump to the actual power input to the pump. So it is denoted by P into Q actual divided by 2 pi nt into 100. Selection factors, selection criteria of pumps, that is based on certain parameters, the pump we are going to select. So some of the parameters that affects the selection of pumps are maximum operating pressure, maximum delivery, type of control, pump drive speed, type of fluid, pump contamination tolerance, pump noise, size and weight of the pump, pump efficiency, cost, availability and interchangeability, maintenance and space. So some of the problems we have worked out based on the performance characteristics of the pump. So certain formulas, that I have highlighted here, you can observe here. That is theoretical flow rate can be calculated with the by using the formula Vd into N, where Vd is the volumetric displacement. Just certain problems I have highlighted here, that is determine the volumetric efficiency of the gear pump by external diameter and internal diameter has been given here, DO and DI has been given, stroke length also is given, actual flow rate also given, speed is given. So we have to calculate the volumetric efficiency, that is QA by QT, so that can be calculated and substitute the values, and you will get, before that you have to calculate the QT, that is volumetric displacement, Vd into N. Vd we have to calculate, that is pi by 4 into DO square minus DI square whole square. Similarly, the another problem that is based on vane pump, you can observe here, and the one more problem. Some of the problems we have worked out here. This is about the third session of the pumps, that is in the module 2 of third session. Thank you.